drift velocity, mobility and conductivity. What is meant by the term drift velocity? In a conductor, there are free electrons which are responsible for conduction. These free electrons are always in random motion, collide with one another and also with the ions of the conductor. Because of their random motion, the net velocity of these electrons will be zero when no external field is applied. But when the conductor comes under an external electric field E, these free electrons drift with velocity Vd, called drift velocity, or these free electrons are aligned in a particular direction which is opposite to the direction of electric field. A potential difference V is applied across the ends of the conductor. That causes an electric field E across the conductor CD of length L and area of cross section A. I is the current passing through the conductor of resistance R and resistivity ρ. What is the expression for drift velocity? Drift velocity is represented by Vd. If E is the electronic charge, capital E is the electric field, tau is the relaxation time, and m is the mass of the free electron, then Vd, drift velocity, equal to E tau by m. Then what is mobility? Mobility is represented by the symbol mu, which is the ratio of drift velocity to electric field. And we know Vd equal to E tau by m, that divided by E. So E get cancelled out. Therefore, drift velocity mu equal to E tau by m. We call this as equation number 2. What may be the SI unit of mobility? SI unit of mobility must be charge E, that is current into time, or charge unit is coulomb. Tau, relaxation time, second, divided by m, mass, kilogram. So coulomb second per kilogram is the SI unit of mobility. Next, let us see what is conductivity. Conductivity is represented by the symbol sigma, which is reciprocal of resistivity. And we know, according to Ohm's law, resistance R equal to V by I, where V is the potential difference and I is the current flowing through the conductor. Also, if L is the length and A is the area of cross section, ρ equal to RA by L, or R equal to ρ L by A. What is the relation between electric potential and electric field? Electric field E is existing due to potential difference V applied across the length L of the conductor. So V equal to E into L. Similarly, the current I can be written as I equal to NEA VD, where A is the area of cross section and VD is the drift velocity, E is the electronic charge, and N is the number of free electrons per unit volume. If we take unit volume, per unit volume, N number of free electrons are there. Substituting for sigma, sigma equal to 1 by rho, rho equal to R A by L, and we know R is equal to V by I into A, and potential difference V in terms of electric field is L divided by V is E into L. I we know I is equal to NEA VD divided by A. L divided by V, V is E into L, I is NEA VD divided by A. Now remove the terms. A cancel out, L cancel out. So the equation for sigma is N E VD by E. Also we know VD equal to E tau by M. Substituting, sigma equal to NE by capital E into E tau by M. Cancel out electric field E. So the equation for conductivity sigma equal to NE square tau by M.